Hey, what's up, amigos? Welcome back again for a brand new episode. And yeah, I hope you're okay. I hope that this video finds you well. So, for today's episode, it's gonna be just like in the title fragrance haul and the unboxing and first impressions of these two beauties right here, Mayar by Latafa and Zukhruf by Zimaya. And as you guys know, Zimaya is a sub company under the wing of Afnan Fragrances. So in this fragrance haul, we have like 5 fragrances, these 2 and these 3 right here in the bag, but I'm gonna leave those 3 at the very end of the video. So I'm gonna focus mainly on these 2 beauties right here, and maybe you kind of noticed that these 2 have something in common. They are both cherry fragrances, maybe from the color, maybe from the name, you guessed it. And as you guys know, the cherry notes or the cherry scents and cherry perfumes has become something of a hype, let's call it that way, something of a hype in the last year and a half, maybe even last 2 years. So yes, let's get straight into it. But first, yes, I promise I'm not gonna make the video long. I'm gonna try to make it as short as possible, because I know a lot of people don't like longer videos, and also I don't have much storage actually in the camera, so it is one of the reasons why I haven't been uploading lately, and it is one of the million reasons actually, because there is many other reasons why I haven't been uploading lately. One of those reasons is the lack of support for the channel. So yes, please give us a thumbs up for this video. Stop the screen, stop the video, give us a thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything, it's totally for free, and it will help us with the video, with the channel. And by the way, you can actually become a member of this channel. Memberships are open. Yes, now you can become a member of this channel starting from $2 a month. There is you can once you become a member of this channel, you have access to many other videos that I have in private, in the private section of this channel. Many like real versus fake videos, many reviews, many short videos and stuff like that. Many interesting things, and I'm working on it to make it more interesting in that membership section. So for this section, this public videos section, for today's video, it's gonna be the unboxing for Mayar and ZUKHRUF. We're gonna start with Mayar by Latafa. Without further ado, let's open it and discover it together live on this video. So yeah, I don't have a can opener. I wonder how I'm gonna open this one. Just take the cellophane off first of all. Alright, nice. Oh, it opened up nicely, like that. So as you guys see, we have this lovely color of the box, this type of metal, and yeah, nice design. We have the name of the fragrance on the face of the box. It says right here, Cherry Intense. I don't know if you guys can see. Yes, Cherry Intense by Latafa. On the top we have the Latafa logo. We have the hologram for the authentication. Let's see it. Yes. On the bottom we have some ingredients, informations, etc. The batch code, expiration date and production date, and also the Latafa website and the QR code barcode. So let's discover the bottle. I'm not sure if this fragrance is 100% for women, but I heard it is unisex, and well, let's discover it. So as you guys see, it is, yeah, pretty much the same kind of bottle like the previous Mayar fragrances, because Mayar they have other fragrances, other flankers. There is a blue one, there is a pink one, and there you go with a cherry inspired fragrance. And yeah, pretty much kind of like the Jean-Paul Gaultier design with the box. The bottle looks really yeah, it has this majestic feel, even though the golden color is not, I think it's a little bit too yellowish for my taste. Right here on the top we have the Latafa logo, the name of the fragrance on the bottle, Cherry Intense. It says Cherry Intense. On the bottom we have the sticker. So let's discover the cap is very good, it's very nice, it clicks into place. let's discover about the atomizer and discover the scent as well. I'm gonna spray it first of all on my hand. All right, I think 2 sprays are enough. And yeah, I can smell it from the top, from the beginning. A loud cherry note, a loud sweet cherry note, and it's not synthetic at all, to be honest with you. I'm gonna give it another sniff. Yeah, it's too sweet actually. Feels like it has some sort of strawberry, raspberry notes accompanied with that cherry. And hey, by the way, I didn't look up any notes for this fragrance, so this is totally, I didn't look up any notes or any reviews or anything. All I heard that it might be unisex, and I'm not sure about that. And so far it smells, we can say it's 70% for females, 30% for guys, but it's very sweet. Yeah, very, very sweet. It smells nice, smells pleasant, but it's not like it's too sweet, like type of burnt sugar type of sweet, but there is a bit of a little bit of freshness accompanied with it. There is definitely no like animalic type of notes or heavy kind of notes. Nothing like that at all, as I kinda, to be honest, I kinda expected something like that, maybe because of the color of the bottle, or I don't know, maybe because it is a Middle Eastern fragrance. And to be honest with you guys, it is more of a strawberry scent. I mean, the strawberry is more dominant here than the cherry. Yeah, definitely there is the cherry note in it. The smell is there, but it feels like other, like the strawberry raspberry combination is overtaken. And it actually reminds me a lot of a designer fragrance by Nina Ricci. Maybe I think I even reviewed that fragrance before. It's called Nina Ricci, Nina Sweet or So Sweet or something like that. Yeah, that name actually exists for a designer fragrance, and this is definitely like from the beginning, over the top, sweetness, dominance of the sweetness, maybe just a little bit gourmandish, a little bit fresh as well, but it's not really cloying, it's not super synthetic at all, because you know, when it comes to this type of notes, many fragrances, they can be a really I mean, we tried other fragrances in the past that were really super synthetic, chemical and cloying, but this one is pretty smooth, very nice. But as I said, I feel like the strawberry is more dominant, and I don't really see that this fragrance can be I don't know, it feels like it is 40% men, 60% for women. But yeah, since this is just the opening for a few minutes, I definitely need to give it a full wearing. But so far it feels definitely more feminine than what I expected. So yes, this was the unboxing and first impression for Mayar. Let's get to the second one, which is ZUKHRUF, which is actually the one that I'm more excited about. Sorry, Latafa. Okay, we're gonna keep you like this. You look beautiful. So this one, I heard many, I mean, nothing but positive things about it, but I didn't want to go deep and look into it. I didn't want to ruin it for me. I wanted to keep it like how do you say it, like keep the suspense. I mean, I wanted to see how it is with my own personal experience. I'm gonna take one of these. I'm gonna try to spray it on paper. I'm just, you know, just cope with me, guys. So let's unbox it and let's check it out. I want to check out this presentation that looks really, really marvelous. And Zimaya, this company from the Middle East, as I said, under the wing of the company Afnan. I heard nothing but good things about that company, and for many of their fragrances I did hear and tried some fragrances from them that I didn't like, but most of them they had really good quality and good packaging, good presentation, etc. And yes, this feels like it feels expensive. The quality of the cellophane wrap is really outstanding. The weight of the box, and now that I even took the cellophane, it feels really nicer. It has a lovely feel, and the presentation looks really nice. I don't know how it opens, but let me show you the face of the box right here. It says ZUKHRUF Cherry. I don't know what it says in here. It says eau de parfum. Okay, yes, there's this beautiful design here. I think maybe it's the bottle. We have the name of the company, Zimaya, right here. Yes, on the top. Also, we have the name of the company. I hope the zoom works well. And yeah, on the sides we have this lovely, like, kind of, well, Middle Eastern Persian type of design. Beautiful. Really looks really nice. They really stepped up their game. I mean, these Middle Eastern fragrances, they are up to the competition. Right here we have some ingredients, barcode, Zimaya 100 ml. We have the batch code right here. It says manufactured. Yes, manufactured by Afnan Perfumes. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes. And we have the production date and expiration date. So let's open it. Oh, nice. I was right about opening it this way. I was worried that it might be like something you have to pull or something. But what a lovely presentation. Look at this. I feel like some of you guys would be like, is this Christmas? Wow. And the bottle feels heavy. That's nice. And it's kind of magnetic actually. Yeah, it's magnetic the way it closes. So yes, this is the bottle and it screams luxury. It looks really nice. The color with, this dark red, or I don't know if you want to call it like dark, blood type of scent, color, sorry. Right here we have some sort of, the design looks nice, but I don't really like this cheap feel here, the plastic. I wish they kept it like some sort of more, how do you say it, like more of a heavier metal. Right here we have the name of the fragrance in the, it says ZUKHRUF right here. And on the sides we have this kind of like handles. On the bottom we have a sticker with the name of the fragrance, the name of the company, Zimaya 100 ml, etc. The parfum. The cap looks really nice, and it's actually heavy. Pretty heavy cap. You can hurt someone with this, but don't do it, please. So yes, it does click into place just like the one from Mayar. So let's see how it sprays like. Let's see the sprayer and let's check out this scent. Alright. I'm gonna try to spray it also on my hand, but let's sniff this paper first. Oh, this is more of a cherry note. Yes. Cherry. Yes, this is cherry combined with almond. And from the beginning, you get Lost Cherry by Tom Ford kinda scent profile. Similarity in the scent. Yeah, huge similarity. From the paper, smells so much like Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Let's check from my hand. Let's smell it off my hand. Yeah, the resemblance is, the resemblance from this opening, I can right now say it this way, from this opening, that this one is much closer to Tom Ford Lost Cherry than Lovely Cherry by Maison Lambra that we have right here. And I think this might be much more of a closer clone of Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Yeah, but then the almond is much more heavier, to be honest with you. Pretty much kind of like what I said earlier about Mayar, the cherry like toned down right away, and the strawberry showed up with that kind of freshness. And right here, the cherry like showed up in the beginning, like boom, right in your face, but then the almond note is starting to take over and be more dominant. And there is some sort of like I don't know, like artemisia or some type of flower. Kind of gives it a powdery feel. Maybe a little bit of vanilla as well, to be honest with you. I'm not sure if Lost Cherry by Tom Ford has a vanilla note, but it's very close, and it feels like this one is more of a good projection and good performance scent than Mayar that we have right here. I'm smelling both hands. Mayar is kind of toning down, while this one, and you guys already saw that I only sprayed one spray on my hand. This one feels like it's kind of filling the room, and it's projecting from my hand. I don't even need to get close to my hand, and I smell it very, very well. It smells really nice. I like it. This one smells much more unisex than Mayar that we have right there. So this one is like 50-50 percent, 50% women, 50% for men. And I like it very much, to be honest with you. The quality is there, the scent profile is there, and it's much closer to, I mean, as a clone or as an inspiration for like Tom Ford Lost Cherry than this one right here. Even though this one is actually very nice, and I've been really wearing this heavily whenever I get the chance to. But this one, I feel like the performance and the projection with this one is much better than any clone that I smelled before of Lost Cherry. So yes, I tried both fragrances. I unboxed them for you in this video. I tried them. I'm gonna try to come back with my conclusions for each of these two lovely perfumes in the future, in the soon future. I'll try to make it as soon as possible, especially for this one right here. And so you definitely need to stay tuned for that. And if you're curious to know about the other fragrances that I had or that I got for this fragrance haul, we have this one right here from Ardaz Zafran. It's called Marina. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. This is Marina by Ardaz Zafran. It's known. We also have this one right here. It's called Forever by Ardaz Zafran. From the color, it feels this might be also a clone of Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I have no idea. At all. This was a blind buy. I don't know if you guys know about this one. Well, if you have any informations about it, please let me know in the comment section. And the last and fifth fragrance in this fragrance haul is this one right here. It's called Pink Eclipse by Maison Ambra. It's known to be like an inspiration of Prada Paradox. So yes, definitely stay tuned for the reviews and the unboxings of these ones and the reviews for all of these fragrances right here. And yes, once again, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will see you later. Take care. Bye.